Super Summer and I'm here with a special guest chef, Addison.
Hello.
And we're going to be making some Kryptonite fudge. For this recipe, all you need is a microwave-safe bowl, 1 bag white chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can, sweetened condensed milk, green food coloring, marshmallows, and sprinkles, and a spoon. Plop it on the paper. No, don't go too crazy. You gotta make sure they stick. Okay, that's all the sprinkles we got, kiddo. Alright, so there you have it. This is our Kryptonite fudge made by Addison and me. Ready? Let's take a taste. That's good. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have fun!
Hi Record Readers, my name is Cherry and today we'll be making Hulk out of a toilet paper roll. For your supplies today, you'll need a toilet paper roll, a glue stick, a black Sharpie, green paper, and purple paper. Your first step is to glue the green paper onto the toilet paper roll. Next, you're going to glue the purple paper towards the bottom, leaving about ½ inch of green left. Your last step is to draw the muscles, a face, and some hair. And that's how you make Hulk out of a toilet paper roll. Thanks for watching.
And my special guest, Chef
Addison.
And for a super summer, we're going to be making Gotham Kapow-pcorn. That's right, Kapow-pcorn. What it is, it's going to be a combination of some caramel popcorn and some cheesy popcorn. So, ready? Let's make a mess. We're going to be using a whirly pop. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with measure out a ½ cup of popcorn and put a couple kernels in your whirly pop. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to go ahead and wait to see when our test kernels pop. We're going to add the rest of our popcorn. But until then, I'm going to hold it and he's going to stir it. So once we got some popcorn popped, the next thing we need is to make some cheesy pop. How we make cheesy pop is super easy. All you need is some melted butter and some cheese powder. If you want, you can order just cheese powder online, or if you're like me, you can steal it from a box of mac and cheese. That's right, we're stealing ours from mac and cheese. Addison wants me to show that you can also make them spicy. But We're gonna do it regular cheesy style. Also in the snacky section, you can get white cheddar powder. It ain't going down easy if it ain't cheesy. So this is our first part of it. Now we gotta make our caramel popcorn. It's gonna be 2 tablespoons of oil. Put our tester in. When our tester pops, we're gonna add the rest of the kernels. When those kernels start to pop, then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons dark brown sugar and in the whirly pop, and just keep popping till it stops. So this is sweet and this is cheesy, and when you combine cheddar popcorn and caramel popcorn, you make a type of popcorn that people like to call Chicago. Well, there you have it, record readers. It's our version of Chicago popcorn. We'll call it Gotham Kapow-pcorn. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have